If you've ever wondered how to sync travel bookings with expense reports in Navan, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to streamline your travel management and make your expense reporting effortless using Navan's powerful tools. Navan makes syncing travel bookings with expense reports super simple. Whether you're traveling for business or managing a company's travel program, this feature can save you a ton of time and hassle. With Navan, your travel bookings are automatically linked to your expense reports, so you don't have to manually input any information. This synchronization ensures that everything is in one place and helps to keep things organized for you. Here's how it works. Once you book your travel through Navan, the system will automatically pull all the details, flight, hotel, car rental, into your expense report. This happens without you needing to do anything extra. All the travel-related expenses are automatically categorized, which means no more losing receipts or worrying about missing info when it's time to submit your expenses. One of the best things about syncing travel bookings with expense reports in Navan is the accuracy. Navan's platform minimizes human error and provides real-time expense tracking, so your reports are always up to date. This reduces the chances of discrepancies and helps with compliance. As soon as you make a booking, it's synced and ready for you to review at your convenience. What really makes Navan stand out is the simplicity. The system integrates seamlessly with the software you might already be using, like accounting tools, making it a breeze to track and manage your spending. Once your travel bookings are synced, you can generate detailed reports that give you clear insights into your travel spending. You'll have everything organized and ready for approval or reimbursement with just a few clicks. And it's not just about making life easier for employees. Navan helps managers and finance teams keep track of budgets and ensure everything stays within company guidelines. With automatic synchronization, there's no need for time-consuming manual reconciliation, and managers can keep everything in check without the headache of reviewing countless receipts or spreadsheets. Now, you might be wondering how you can get started with Navan. The best part is you can try it out for free today. Use the exclusive link in the description below to sign up and get access to a free trial with some extra bonuses. This is a limited time offer, so make sure you grab it before it's gone. To wrap up, syncing travel bookings with expense reports in Navan is incredibly simple, saving you time and making sure everything is accurate. Whether you're managing business travel or handling your personal expenses, this feature is a game changer. So don't wait. Check the first link below for your exclusive extended free trial to Navan and start streamlining your workflow today.